Oh, we could run to keep warm.
No, the point is, can we see it or not?
You're like just no, I'm not running. Oh my gosh, it's Wednesday. I don't like it.
What do we do tomorrow?
Yeah, Mr. Bennett, what are we doing tomorrow?
Tomorrow,
Are we having a bonfire?
stuff.
Are we having a bonfire
Doing
still?
stuff. Huh?
What if it's raining? Are we still having a bonfire? Are there gonna be s'mores?
Yeah. Tomorrow we're going on the river. We're doing a boat trip.
Okay.
And then bonfire in the afternoon and evening.
Then we can go tomorrow morning. And then we'll just sleep on the boat.
You can run along the river tomorrow morning. It's getting a little bit clearer, but you still can't see the sun.
There should at least be like some kind of color here. All that is a fog.
We look up and there's the sun.
It's like right here, guys.
I really feel like it's out. Alright, like, literally you can see more color there than here.
We'll turn off the factory. I know it's fog.
What about a swim park, Joe? It's about like 2 your hours heart. of sleep. Yeah. 3 hours of sleep.